What would you say to people if they told you, Ben, I'm too late to... You've definitely gotten this question before, so what's your response?
Yeah, so I mean, I was on the other end of that like blip. So you bought it on the way up, I bought it on the way down. So I was, we were both kind of born into a bear market, pretty much. So like, I think I bought a week prior to Mt. Gox's collapse. And I also actively like messaged a bunch of my friends. I was like, yo, I just got some Bitcoin. A week later, they're like, I'm getting the tag. I hope you didn't buy any of this shit. So that's all I heard for the first little bit. And yeah, it was like a solid, my first year watching it was exactly the bull run you described. I saw like the double digit, the triple digit, and the quadruple digit price. And that's when I was like, okay, let's do some reading. This is either a Ponzi scheme or something. And yeah, so I basically watched my net worth, or what little savings I had, get devalued by 80% over the next year and a half. And then it gradually started eking up. Luckily, I had understood enough about it over the course of that time that I think the unique part was understanding just enough to see how wrong the news was, right? Like when they come on and they're reporting Bitcoin got hacked, and I'm like, well, no, it's just a shitty business that lost everybody's coins. And I knew that was counterfactual. I basically said what little I know about why this stuff is important. As long as that doesn't break, I'll just kind of continue down this train. And it seems like I'll just kind of continue. And so I did, and it ended up being a decent call. But yeah, is somebody too late? No, because everybody, when they start, is too late. And everybody at some point, if they stick around long enough, is somebody else's early, right? Like everybody here right now, to the people that started in like 21, those were the early ones, or 20, right? And to the people in 21, the 17 crowd was early, and to the people in 17, the 13 crowd was early. Like, so it's like basically whatever cycle you're in, the cycle before was early. The halving epochs are your classes, right? Like it's again, when Bitcoin is the scarcest thing humanity has ever seen, and the acceleration of the creation of new fiat is just never ending, you're not too early. You're never too early. And I very much believe that the very last person on earth to adopt Bitcoin will still benefit from it once they do.